Add 2.
Add 2 spoonfuls of, this is actually baking soda.
And the water.
And then what does it say on
Then
the
there's
side?
a second line. Can you look at the second line, please?
And the what?
Exactly. That's what it
And
means, yeah.
stir well. So can you summarize what you just read? What did it say to do?
It says add the look.
Add 2 spoonfuls of baking soda. So we need to take this box over here. It's baking soda.
So we didn't
Use your
reckon-
spoon. Oh, we're gonna use our spoon. It said 2 spoonfuls. And reach in.
Would you like to do it?
You can do the dumping. I think it'll be easier. Right? It's scooping. 1.
What's that one?
I think we
We'll
need
make
a
a
bigger
ball.
spoonful, Dad.
Is that all the ingredients?
We'll have to keep reading the
No,
directions.
more ingredients, I think. Here's 2.
Would that make a volcano?
Okay, and then, so it said add the spoonfuls, and then what were we supposed to do? What was that last part of the sentence? We were in number 4.
Well,
Stir well. Oh, who could do that?
would that
you
make a volcano?
Not yet.
We have to do all the directions.
Yeah, mine keeps stirring.
And then what will be?
That'll be a volcano.
And that's where the picture of a volcano.
It'll be very similar to the picture.
It won't be a brown volcano, it'll be a beaker volcano.
Yeah, that's the
It will
idea.
be a bigger.
Alright, do really good stirring.
We need to do it now.
Okay. What does step 6 say? Oh, sorry, we're on step 5. What does step 5 say?
Five says, some volcano.
That's some vinegar. Pour some vinegar.
Don't
Pour some vinegar in.
to a small test tube.
Okay. Where's that small test tube?
Which one should we do?
Let's do both.
Oh,
We only need to do
just
one.
only one.
Let's do the one with the wood.
Okay.
Okay. Can you take
Let's
the lid off?
Now what's that grandma doing there?
I'm videotaping.
Alright, we need to pour some vinegar in. I'll take this lid off. When you do your best pouring, be very careful.
Not all the way full. That's good. Perfect.
Great. Good one. Work on.
Okay. Now keep reading.
Keep reading. So we did
We did the first line.
pour some vinegar into the small test tube and
5 dots of red food coloring.
Okay.
Okay, so here's the red food coloring. Now ours don't really do drops, so why don't we do one long squeeze? I
perfect.
think that's good.
Oh, one
Yeah,
more.
let's get that last little bit in. Okay, stop. Perfect.
Alright. Now,
Okay, now keep reading.
Now put
The lid on then steak.
good reading on.
Put the lid on then steak and see if it gets red. And then what will be?
Alright, do really good shaking.
And turn it upside down a little too. Shake, shake.
More shaking. Nice.
But why is it getting red?
Yeah,
'Cause of the food coloring.
Because of the red food coloring.
Pretty good.
Pretty good.
It won't dissolve all the way.
Okay.
It's all the way red.
Alright. Now what does step 6 say?
It says add
No.
No, 6 is here.
What's that first word?
use the accelerator.
Good guess. Use the eyedropper.
I use the eyedropper.
Here's the eyedropper, and then keep reading. Keep reading what to do. Use the eyedropper.
No, we don't know what to use it for yet.
You gotta read what to do first.
Gotta read the whole
Well, we
step.
use it for the red food coloring.
Okay.
You're right, but why don't you read it?
Use the eyedropper and
Squeeze.
squirt, actually, the
Colored.
colored, good, vinegar on.
Keep reading.
On. Pay attention.
Let go and read with data. On. Read with data. Read the directions.
Vinegar in
Bag.
into
A bag.
no
Bag.
into
Beaker.
into the beaker. Exactly.
Okay, now we need to put our eyeglasses on now, Dad, because this is and we should move our directions out of the way.
Yeah, and just so you know, step 7 says, watch the red lava float
Okay,
up
hang
from
on.
this mini volcano.
Let's do one last stir over here.
And then what will be?
So red lava is going to come out once we add.
Once you do your squirt
Once
with
you
the
do squirt.
eyedropper.
So do some good squirting.
Keep going. It's not working, Dad.
It's not working.
It's not being
I
hot.
wonder if our baking soda is old.
We certainly like super saturated it with baking soda. Why don't you try pouring?
Yeah, pour that whole thing
thing
in.
Oh my gosh! Red lava.
What's the lava? It makes a mess. It makes a mess.
It does. That's why we put the paper towel in there as the first step.
That was really cool.
It makes a mess.
Yeah, were you a little worried about it, or is that okay?
That's okay.
Yeah, that's okay. That's
It's not very hot lava.
it's friendly.
Oh yeah, it's not hot at all actually. It's bubbly lava.
It's probably yeah. That's how the experiment works. That's what you're supposed to do.
What made a mess? See, it's red.
We made a red mess. That's okay. That's why we put it on the paper towel, and that's why we did it on our workspace tray. Great work, team.
I think we should do it again.
Yeah. Why don't you?
Should we do it again?
Vinegar?
Oh, you think we can just add more vinegar? You don't think we need to start all over in the beaker
Mama,
too?
Mama, I don't want it again.
You don't? You didn't like it? Did it make you a little nervous?
It made me a little nervous.
What if we pushed it a little further away? What if we pushed it a little further away from home?
Yeah.
I think we just did all the vinegar in it. We can have it again, but that might not be the case in the future.
It made a mess.
It made an even bigger mess. That was super cool.
Nothing on hot lava.
It's not hot. You can touch it.
You did it.
It's just wet.
It's just wet.
It's just water and vinegar now.
And why do anymore?
Okay, then we're all done.
Yeah, let's do it again someday.
Someday.
Again, someday, but not today.
But not right now.